The combined SAT scores for students at a local high school are normally distributed. They have a mean of 1530 and a standard deviation of 305. The local college includes a minimum score of 1774 in its admission requirements. What percentage of students from this school earn scores that fail to satisfy the admission requirement? All right, so our data is normally distributed, so let's begin by sketching out a bell curve. This bell curve has a mean of 1530 and a standard deviation of 305. So I'm just going to put the 1530 here. Now, in order to get entrance into the college, you have to have a minimum score of 1774. So anyone to the right of that group is going to get accepted, but the question here is asking what percentage of students fail to satisfy the admission requirement. So we actually want to shade to the left because these are the students that didn't meet that requirement. Now, to find the area under a normal distribution curve, we use the function normal CDF, which takes up to 4 inputs. The first two are the lower bound, which is negative infinity in this case, but I'll put negative E99, which is scientific notation for a very small number, because there's no infinity key on the calculator. The upper bound is 1774, and the last two inputs are the mean and the standard deviation. So the mean is 1530, and the standard deviation is 305. So we'll use the calculator to come up with this probability. It's second and distribution, normal CDF. And if I hit second and comma, that will give me the E. Oh, although I need a negative in there first. So negative E to the 99th, 1774, 1530, and 305. So that's 0.7881. Now, when you called up the normal CDF function, it's possible that you saw a menu come up. And that's okay. The menu is just trying to help you know what the 4 inputs to the normal CDF are. The lower bound, the upper bound are the first 2 inputs that we used. So I'll put those in. And then the mu is the mean, of course, and sigma is the standard deviation. So it's just asking for the 4 values in a little bit more of an efficient manner than typing in a list separated by commas. But what it does in the end is it puts that list separated by commas on the home screen and calls the normal CDF function for you.